It's officially hurricane season, and it's time to ask the age-old question, is your business protected? Review your business's insurance policy, and though there isn't a designated hurricane insurance that you can add to your policy, it's important to see what you're covered for in case of disaster, and whether you need to make additional arrangements. Creating in case of emergency plans is also important because an emergency evacuation could happen at any time, not just for hurricanes. Make sure employees know where their nearest exits are and what to do in the event of an evacuation. According to the Insurance Information Institute, you should conduct drills and assess and improve the response prior to a disaster. Make sure that the plan you produce is distributed to all employees and formally written down where all employees can access it. It's important to be safe and protected during difficult times like hurricane season. Contact your independent insurance agent about any questions you may have about further protection.